Hello students, today we see next topic, that is construction of tangent to a circle at a point on the circle. Now there are two types. First, using the center of the circle. Second, without using the center of the circle. And another point, to construct tangents to a circle from a point outside the circle. We have to construct tangent. Now we see examples. Practice set 4.2. First example, construct a tangent to a circle with a center P and radius 3.2 cm at any point M on it. Now first, construct tangent to a circle with center P and radius 3.2. First, take a measurement of 3.2 cm. On scale, take a measurement of 3.2 cm. Now we have to draw a circle of radius 3.2 cm. This is a circle of radius 3.2 cm. Construct tangent to a circle. Now we know that tangent to a circle, that is intersection of tangent, that line, and circle is a point. Construction of tangent to a circle with center P. Center of this circle is P and radius 3.2 cm at any point M on it. Suppose M point is here. We have given this radius is 3.2 cm. Now first draw ray passing through this point M. We have to draw tangent line passing through point M. Now first step, draw a circle of radius 3.2 cm. This is first step. Then take any point M on the circle. Extend this. PM is, draw PM. PM is a ray. Now we have to construct tangent at point M. For this, first keep one point of compass at point M and draw arc on both sides of this point M at an equal distance. दोन्ही बाजूला सारख्याच अंतरावर त्याचे कंस करा. Now take more than half distance of this. We have to draw perpendicular bisector of this distance. Therefore, take more than half distance of this. This is half distance, more than half distance. Draw arc above and below this ring. Also, taking same distance, put one point of compass here and draw arc its intersecting arcs. Now join this point, intersecting points. Join these two intersecting points. We get a tangent line passing through point M. This line is perpendicular. This is our answer. This is a tangent line passing through point M. Now question number 2. Draw a circle of radius. Draw a circle of radius Draw a circle of radius 2.7 centimeter. 2.7 centimeter. Draw a tangent. Draw a tangent to the circle. At any point on it. At any point on it. Now here, draw a circle of radius 2.7 centimeter. We have to draw a circle. Therefore, first step is take a measurement of 2.7 centimeter. Take a measurement of 2.7 centimeter. Draw a circle of radius 2.7 centimeter. Draw a circle of radius 2.7 centimeter. This is center. Draw a tangent to the circle at any point on it. We have to take any point. Suppose this point is here. We have to draw tangent. Suppose O is the center of circle, P is any point on the circle. We have to draw tangent from point P. Now for this, we know that if we have to draw tangent, therefore, then first draw ray passing through this point, that is OP, ray OP. Now we know that how to construct tangent at point P. Keep one point of compass at point P and draw arc on both sides of this point at the same distance. Now take more than half distance of this. Draw arc above this and below this. Now taking same distance, keep one point here. Draw its intersecting arcs. Intersecting arc. Now join this point. Join these two intersecting points. This is a tangent passing through point P. Tangent to a circle passing through point P. This is a right angle. Here the radius is 2.7 centimeter. Question number 3. number 3. Draw a circle of radius. Draw a circle of radius 3.6 centimeter. 3.6 centimeter. Draw a tangent to the circle. Draw a tangent to the circle. Draw a tangent to the circle at any point on it. At any point on it without using the center. Without using the center. Now here, first we have to draw a circle of radius 3.6 centimeter. Draw, this is the first step. Draw tangent to the circle at any point on it without using center. Now in first two examples, we draw a tangent by taking with the help of center on the circle. Here we have to draw tangent without taking help of center. Here first we have to draw a circle of radius 3.6 centimeter. Therefore, take a measurement of 3.6 centimeter. Take a measurement of 3.6 centimeter. Draw a circle suppose this is O is the center of circle. We have to draw, take any point, suppose M point is here. M point is here. We have to draw tangent passing through this point M. Therefore, draw any chord, suppose this is PM is the chord. Take inscribed angle, that is PQM. Construct angle, inscribed angle PQM. Suppose this point is Q. Now we have to draw tangent at point M. Therefore, for this, by using this angle or by using this angle, we can draw tangent passing through point M. Therefore, first keep one point of compass at point Q, draw arc like this on both sides. Now here, put one point of compass at point M, draw arc taking same distance like this. Now here, take measurement of these two arcs, that is take this distance, draw here intersecting arc. Now keep one point here and draw by taking same distance its intersecting arc. We get this point. Now join this point with M. Join this point with M. Extend this. Therefore, this is a tangent to the circle. This is a tangent to the circle at point M without taking help of this center. Question number 4. Draw a circle of radius. Draw a circle of radius. Draw a circle of radius 3.3 centimeter. 3.3 centimeter. Draw a chord PQ. Draw a chord PQ of length 6.6, of length 6.6 centimeter, of length 6.6 centimeter. Draw tangents. Draw tangents to the circle at point P and Q. Point P and Q. Write your observation. Write your observation about the tangents. About the tangents. About the tangents. Now first, draw a circle of radius 3.3 centimeter. Now first step, we have to draw a circle of radius 3.3 centimeter. Therefore, for this first step, measurement of 3.3 centimeter. On scale, take a measurement of 3.3 centimeter. Draw a circle of radius 3.3 centimeter. This is a circle of radius 3.3 centimeter. Draw a chord PQ of length 6.6 centimeter. Now we have to draw, this is a 3.3 centimeter, therefore chord, that is, take any two, twice of this 3.3 is the radius, its twice, that is 6.6, this is the chord of the circle. Therefore, join any 2 points passing through center. Passing through center. Suppose O is the center of circle, this point P, this point is P and this point is Q. Draw chord PQ of length 6.6 centimeter. Now radius is 3.3 centimeter and chord, this is radius and chord is of 6.6 centimeter. This is the chord. Draw tangent to the circle at point P and Q. We have to draw tangents at point P and Q. Now we know that how to draw tangents, how to construct tangents. Extend these rays on both sides. This rays, that is ray OP and ray OQ, like this. Now keep one point of compass at point P. Draw arc on both sides. Now taking more than half distance of this, draw arc above and this. Keep one point here, draw arc like this. Join this point, we get a tangent passing through point P. This is a tangent. This is at right angle. Similarly, we have to construct tangent at point Q. Keep one point of compass at point Q. Draw arc on both sides. Draw arcs on both sides. Now taking more than half distance of this, draw arc above and below this. Put one point of compass at here, draw its intersecting points. Now join this point, we get a tangent passing through point Q. Now let us see from the figure, this is a right angle. Tangents passing through point P and Q are parallel to each other. Write down from figure, tangents passing through points P and Q are parallel to each other. This is the answer.